double and triple bond. When we are talking about the organic chemistry or the organic compounds, when we are talking about the organic compounds, these organic compounds are maybe of two types. The first type we have it is saturated organic compounds, and the second we have unsaturated organic compounds. Unsaturated organic compounds. So mainly the saturated organic compounds, the compounds having simple carbon-carbon single bonds. So these are known as the saturated organic compounds. On the other hand, when we are going to talk about the unsaturated hydrocarbons or unsaturated organic compounds, they may be of two types. The first one we have alkenes, and the second one we have alkynes. So let's have a look at what are alkenes and what are the alkynes and what are their general formulas and what are their properties. So basically alkenes. Alkenes are the hydrocarbons. First main thing they are unsaturated. Unsaturated hydrocarbons or the organic compounds, and these unsaturated hydrocarbons have double bond between the carbon atoms. As carbon carbon is having double bond, these are known as the alkenes. And next on the general formula for these alkenes we have CnH2n minus 2. So this is the general formula for the alkenes. Basically it is CnH2n. So the general formula for the alkene simple we have CnH2n, that is gonna to be tells us about how many, N means we have how many number of carbon atoms. If we have number of carbon atom 1, then we will be able to put just one, and if we have the number of carbon atom more, then we will put the numbers likewise. So if we have carbon number 1, then we will put C1 hydrogen 2 into 1. Then the formula we will get CH2. Basically the alkenes are going to be start from the number 2. So we will put here C2H2 into 2, then C2H4. Simple alkene we have CH2 double bond CH2. So this is the simple alkene we have, in which the two carbon atoms are having double bond and they are unsaturated hydrocarbons. Next, if we have another example of propene. For the molecular formula propene, we able to get the N is equal to 3. Then if N is equal to 3, then by putting the number 3 in N, C3H2 into 3. So the molecular formula we just gain C3H6. So we have 3 number of carbon atoms. Two carbon atoms will have double bond. Next we need to complete the valency. This carbon will have two hydrogen atoms. It is having 1, 2 and 3 bonds, so it have just one hydrogen. On the other hand, the last one or the third number carbon is having one bond, so it have three more hydrogen atoms. So now by counting we have CH3, CH double bond CH2. So its condensed structure formula we will gain CH2 double bond CH bond with CH3. Its name is propene. The ene is going to show that it is a unsaturated hydrocarbon and it is from the class alkenes. Next we have the second type is alkynes. So the word alkynes is going to show that the carbon carbon is having mainly triple bond This class is known as alkynes and they are unsaturated hydrocarbons, and these unsaturated hydrocarbons have triple bond between them. Let's have an example for the unsaturated hydrocarbon. First, we need to write its general formula. General formula is CN, where H 2n minus 2. So, by putting the value here 3 or 2, we will be able to get the formula like if n is equal to 2, then C2H 2 into 2 minus 2, we will get C2H2. Now, its structure formula is we have two carbon atoms, they have triple bond, and then they have one hydrogen. So, this is the CH triple bond CH. The first alkyne, that is ethyne. The word ethyne here, ene is showing that it is having the triple bond between two carbon atoms. If I'm going to put the value of n is equal to 3, then we have from propane to propyne. Here ene is going to show the triple bond where C3 hydrogen 2 into 3 minus 2. So the formula we get just C3H2 3 are 6 minus 2, we get C3H4. So we have three carbon atoms, two carbon atoms having triple bond. Now by managing their hydrogen, we just gain CH3. So this is the formula of propyne. Molecular formula is C3H4. Its condensed formula is CH3 C triple bond CH. Now this triple bond is going to show that this is a alkyne. Alkynes mean it is having triple bond between two carbon atoms. So this is all about double and triple bond. According to the presence of this double and triple bond in the alkenes and alkynes, they have their properties differ from the alkanes.